Today is a sad day in Zamunda. Why? Because the boosted board stealth is acting up. I'm getting this kind of clicking sound from the back left motor. The reason why I know is because when I hold the right motor or the right tire, when I give it some throttle, you only hear that noise coming from the left back motor, and it's kind of troubling me. So I'm making this video for boosted. I want you guys to check this video out and tell me, what do you think it is? I'm assuming it's the motor. I've watched a couple of YouTube videos and it's told me what, from just looking at the other people who's been having the same issue as me. They've been having the same exact motor issue. Some have it louder, some gets worse, some are intermittent. Mine is intermittent. Like, it depends on how the board feels. Like, it'll make the noise really loud, and then when I'm on the board right now, it will not make the noise. And then it'll make it when it feels like it, and then afterwards it'll stop. So I'm kind of confused. But all the videos I looked at online, it all sums up to it being a... Oops, let me get out of here. It all sums up to it being a motor issue. At first I thought it was the bearings, but it's not the bearings. It's the motor. Now, if you know me, every lunch hour I usually go out and cruise around for lunchtime, but in this case I'm not going to do that. Just because I don't know what's wrong with the board. I don't know if there's any problems with it or any defects or anything like that. So I'm going to just take a break. But you can check out the video and check out the sound effect and you tell me what you think. All right? Cut. I'm actually making this for boosted because I know they're going to ask me to tell them what the sound is or show them a video. So let's start off by holding this wheel and see how it sounds when I spin this one. And yes, that sound does get louder and louder the faster you go. Now, I'm no electric skateboard expert, but I'm assuming it's this motor here, because I've watched a couple of YouTube videos. This boosted board is not even a month old from where I purchased it, from boosted board. So I'm assuming it's still under warranty. I'm hoping. Boosted, if you're looking at this video, I'll be more than glad if you send me a motor and I'll exchange it myself. You just send me some proper instructions. I'm pretty handy. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted Boosted to see this because just in case they ask me to send them a video. So I'm going to turn it the opposite way. Well, turn it to where it's facing me. All right, that's for you, Boosted. Tell me what you guys think. And I would love some feedback on that, but I'm assuming it's a motor that needs to be replaced because it had a malfunction. But that's okay because these moving parts, they break anyway. Just as long as boosted board covers me, that's all I care about, because I heard these motors are very expensive if you purchase them on your own. But we'll see. More to come.